Hi, welcome to the tutorial for the Staggered Double Crochet. What you'll need is a hook and some yarn. You can use any yarn that you would like and then just find the hook that would match the yarn. This is just a practice of the stitch. And when you go to make whatever project you want to make using that stitch, follow the same guidelines. Just pick the yarn that you want to use and then use a crochet hook that would match up with that yarn. So to make this, it's worked up in multiples of 6 plus 2 plus 2. That's the way that it's always described. I don't know why you wouldn't just say plus 4, but that's always the way that they describe it when there's more than more than one of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 18 for my multiple of 6, and then I'll add another 4. So 22. By the way, I'm using a 5.5 millimeter and eye hook with this. I don't know what this is because this came from my scrap yarn, but it really feels like a medium 4-weight type of yarn. So let's go up to 18, and then I'll add 2 and another 2. 1, 2, plus 2, 1, 2, plus 2, 1, 2. All right, for this next first row, you're going to put 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, and then there's 4. And then we're going to put a double crochet in each of the next 2 chains. 1, 2. And then we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to skip 3. 1, 2, 3. And then in that 4th one, we're going to put another 3 in a row. 1, and then in the next chain, your second one. And then in your next chain, the 3rd one. Then we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and then in that 4th one, double crochet, and then three in a row here again. I'm not skipping any of the chains. I'm just going right from one chain to the next for the 3 that are in a row. And then I'm going to chain 3. And then double crochet in the last chain, skipping 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 double crochet in the last. Then we turn, and then we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and put 3 double crochets into this space. This is why they call it staggered, because the 3 in a row are not the same from row to row. And then we're going to chain 3. And then we're going to skip all of these double crochets, and then in the next space, we're going to do another 3 double crochets into that space. And then we'll chain 3. Skip these 3 double crochets, and in the next space we'll do 3. 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to chain 3. And then put a double crochet into that the top of that last chain from the previous row. And then we'll turn, and we'll just continue doing exactly what we've been doing. You're going to chain 3, and then put 3 in the space, chain 3, 3 in the space, chain 3, 3 in the space, chain 3, and then 1 in the last chain. So I'll do a couple more rows, and then I'll come back and show you how this looks when it's worked up a little bit bigger. And then you can let me know in the comments what you think you would make with this stitch. Here's how it looks. It's nice and lacy. I have an idea of things that I would do with this, but I'm curious to know what you would do. So let me know in the comments, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like these kind of videos, feel free to subscribe. It's free and it helps my channel out. Have a great day. Bye.